Welcome to Cooking with Kole, and today we're making steak frites. We got Tegan and the production crew with us today, so let's get into it. So here we have our Italian parsley. Here we have our mushrooms, fine diced. And then we also have our shallots, also fine diced. We have some fresh grated Parmesan. And then we have our potatoes for the fries in ice cold water. Now we're going to be taking our potatoes and drying them off before we throw them in the fryer, get all that residual moisture off. We'll have a nice crispy fry. And it'll be golden, it'll be beautiful. So let's do it. Now we're throwing just a few fries into the basket. Bear with me. And we'll get these going. Just a few. Make sure it's all right. Oh, can you hear that sizzle? Oh, yeah. Perfect. We'll let those sit for a minute. Perfect. So now that those are frying, we're just getting our flaky salt ready, and we'll salt those as soon as they come out of the fryer. So what we're doing here is I'm putting the peppercorns on the plate because we're going to do a peppercorn crusted steak. It's a New York strip, and it's a Wagyu steak. And then we're going to take the fond that's left in the pan, and we're going to add some beef stock, some shallots, some mushrooms, some sherry, some thyme, and we'll turn that into kind of a creamy sauce that we're going to pour on top of the steak. It's going to be good. Salt these fries. Nice flaky salt. Oh, they're beautiful. Beautiful golden. Look at those, Tegan. Come on. Come on. Oh, dear. Ooh, pretty good. Yeah? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Golden perfection. So now, I messed up the plate, so now they're not scattering everywhere. So I'm gonna sprinkle it kind of along, kind of like an art project, you know, when you put like the sand or whatever on top of the glue. And then we're gonna coat it all the way around. Our pan is heating up. We've got most of our fries done. We have our beautiful peppercorn crusted steak. And then we'll throw it in the pan in just a second. Just a little bit. We're gonna get this nice and spread. Perfect. All right. Nice and toasty. We're gonna turn it up to high real quick because we want that nice sear. I never probe my steak, but I want this to be perfect. Do not camera this.
I always do that.
Oh, okay.
So do not camera this.
Now I'm gonna add the mushrooms and the shallots at the same time in the same pan that I just butter basted that steak in, because we have all that beautiful flavor from the steak and then also the garlic and the thyme. Now we're gonna do a little Julia Child and add some sherry to the pan. Let that deglaze a little bit, and that'll season the mushrooms. Sherry and mushrooms are a match made in heaven. So good. So good. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness.
A little higher.
A little higher.
There you go.
Okay. That's with the sherry. All right, we're gonna let that cook down a little bit, get the alcohol out of there. And then we're gonna add some beef stock, some bone broth. So now we've thrown in some butter, cold butter. This will start to make the sauce thicken a little bit. And again, this is just the pan sauce from what we cooked the steak in. Now we're going to take our steak and let me find the grain real quick. Okay, yeah, we're across the grate. Oh, that smells really good. Just for you, buddy. Yeah, yeah. All right. So, what we've done now is we've finished our fries. And now we're going to toss them with Parmesan, the lemon, and some parsley. And even more salt.
You can never have enough.
Never have enough salt. Actually, you can. You can. There's excessive amounts of everything. So, we're going to add, except for Jesus. You can never have too much of Jesus. Now we're going to add our parsley. We're going to add all that freshly grated Parmesan. And then we're going to squeeze a little lemon juice over everything. Oh, yeah. Bueno, bueno. And then now, we're just going to kind of toss it until everything is kind of equally coated. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now it's just time to plate up. So, we'll take our steak slices. The lemon brings a balance of the salt. And the parsley is nice and fresh. And then you have the salty Parmesan in there. Now let's get some of the steak. Look at that. Oh. That's the stuff. Well, that's it for Cooking with Kole. Thanks for joining us. Yeah.